Here I have POCO X5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google account on this device and also how you can remove it. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the accounts and synchronization, then tap add account, select Google. Then you have to enter your email or phone number here. Tap next. Then you have to enter your password. So when you enter your password, tap next. Then you have to select if you will be using this device or if your child will be using it. Like, why is Google interested? Okay, I'm gonna use it. Then you have to accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then you can select if you want to enable Google backup feature. So if you want to enable it, just tap accept. If you like alright without it, disable it here and tap accept. And after that, account will be added. So if you want to remove this account, select it here, tap more and select remove account, and that's how it's done. So easily. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.